This nail drill machine was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it, showing everything included up close, and then trying it out on my own nails so you can see how it performs. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged really nicely, and right away, this feels much more like a professional nail tool than some of the smaller, basic e-files I've seen. Inside the box, you get the nail drill itself, the handpiece, drill bits, accessories, and instructions. As I'm taking everything out in the video, I show all of the included pieces up close so you can get a better idea of what comes with the kit. One thing I noticed immediately is how modern the main control unit looks. It features an LCD display that makes it easy to see your settings while using it, and the controls feel straightforward and easy to understand. This model is rated for up to 50,000 RPM, which gives it plenty of power for a variety of nail care tasks. Another feature I like is that it includes a beginner mode, which can make it feel less intimidating for someone who is new to using an electric nail drill. In the video, I spend some time showing the included bits up close and how they fit into the handpiece. The handpiece itself feels comfortable to hold, and one thing that stood out to me is how smooth it feels while running. The brand advertises it as being vibration-free, and it definitely feels stable and comfortable during use. After showing the accessories and controls, I move on to actually using it on my own nails. In the video, I use it to file my nails and also work around my cuticle area. One thing I appreciate is that the controls allow you to adjust the speed depending on what you're doing, which makes it easier to work more carefully when needed. As I'm using it, you can see how the different bit performs and how smoothly the drill operates. I also show the handpiece in action up close so you can get a realistic idea of the size, control, and overall experience while using it. Throughout the video, I focus on showing the included accessories, the drill itself, the LCD display, and the actual nail filing process so you can get a good idea of how everything works together. Overall, this feels like a really capable nail drill system for both home users and more advanced nail care routines. Between the 50,000 RPM motor, LCD display, beginner mode, multiple included bits, and smooth operation, it feels like a very feature-packed e-file that offers a lot of flexibility depending on your experience level.